Hello, friends. If your bank account had a checkup today, do you think it would be healthy? Or would it have symptoms of prematurely ending its paycheck? This time on Money Minds, we'll talk about financial health. I'm Ana Alvarez, and I'm here to revolutionize your relationship with money. Because saving isn't just about putting money away. It's about knowing how to manage it so you can live stress-free and with peace of mind. Let's get to it. Financial health is a state of well-being in which our finances allow us to live peacefully, without stress or constant worries. It is the ability to meet our present and future needs, to enjoy life without fear of running out of resources. It's not just about making money, it's about knowing how to manage it so that it doesn't make you sick. Or worse, magically disappear. Imagine being able to sleep without worrying about bills, having the freedom to make decisions without money being an obstacle, and the security of knowing you're prepared for any unexpected event. That's financial health. Now, if this doesn't resonate with you, be careful. You could be in financial trouble when you have debts that grow faster than you can pay them off. You don't know exactly how much you spend each month. You don't have emergency savings, and an unexpected event could knock you out. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. There's a solution, and that's exactly what we're getting at. Here are 4 keys to strengthening your finances and making them work for you, instead of you working for them. Keep track of your income and expenses. If you don't know where your money is going, it's like driving with your eyes closed. Use a financial app or simply a notebook. Build an emergency fund. Having at least 3 to 6 months of expenses covered will give you peace of mind. Avoid unnecessary debt. Credit cards are not an extension of your salary. Learn to use them to your advantage. Invest in your future. Saving isn't enough. You have to make your money grow. Explore investment options based on your risk profile. Remember that financial health is a journey. It requires time, effort, and discipline, but the benefits are worth it. Now tell me, how's your financial health? Do you have any habits you need to improve? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more content on saving and investing. See you in the next video.